Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to settings here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on accessibility here, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on Apple TV remote. You come here to use buttons on the iPhone Apple TV remote, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's been disabled with us now. That's all you have to do, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.